the next one. So now we got the money, honey, right? So now we're going to buy the facility because we found the money. Let's go to, let's buy the thing and let's manage it, right? Manage it. The management. The management part is the hardest part. Everybody's always like, how do you find them? How do you fund them? Nobody ever thinks about how you run the suckers. But the truth of the matter is that when you buy a storage facility, you are buying a retail business. And that retail business, if you don't run it properly, is going to be run to the ground. And then you're going to have a business that I buy in the next 3 to 5 years, which is exactly what happened to the one that I'm going to buy right now. The owner has 6 facilities that are kind of all right next to each other. And then he bought this other one that's like an hour away. These 5 facilities over here, he's doing well with those. And then that one that's like way out, he just don't want to do anything with that. And so he's running, I mean, basically he's running to, he said, like, he's like, I'm older. He's like, I don't feel like, driving out an hour to go manage that thing. So, and he's not online, he's not doing anything like proper, right? So managing it, and see, like all of our facilities are all over Georgia and Florida, and they're all within like 2, 3, 4 hours away from, 5, 6 hours away from us. So once you learn how to manage them virtually, just like you're running your business virtually, you can truly make these passive income. Right? So management equals passive income. Passive income is not like, oh, I'm going to be netting $2,000 a month. Passive income is when you can live in an RV and travel full time and manage 11, facilities. That's passive income. All right. Passive income is how you manage your facilities. Okay. And so, because a lot of people talk about passive income all the time. Oh, I'm doing passive income. I'm doing passive income. The truth of the matter is that do you have to be near that facility in order to manage it? If you do, then it's not passive income. All right. And I told my husband 2 years ago in 2019, I said, like, now we have to get to the point where we can step away and we can travel and spend time with Lillian and do the things that we want. So we have to focus on getting these all completely virtual. So in 2019, that's what we did. We really just like focused on just automating and systematizing everything. And then so that way this past year, we could go full time. Okay, so passive income, management equals passive income. Management equals train your tenants. Training your tenants to me means putting your foot down, right? Putting your foot down, running your business like a business, right? Not being one of those suckers that like lets your family come in and take 2, 3, 4 units. I have a student that has a storage facility and he's afraid to raise the rents. And I was like, you got to just rip the Band-Aid. I call that rip the Band-Aid. Right? Ripping the Band-Aid means as soon as you buy that facility, you've got to just raise the rents, and then whoever wants to leave and get all the tenants in there that are going to follow your rules. And those people that are going to follow your rules fall under training your tenants. Okay, so you are going to run this like a business and not like a hobby. Okay, you are going to be completely electronic through your property management software. Okay, your property management software, you've got to get a good one. I tell this to everybody, cheap is not always better. Cheap is not always better. You want the software that has all the bells and whistles on it so that you can take advantage of all it has to offer so that you can completely automate instead of systematize everything, right? A lot of people go with the cheapest one and then they realize later that was not the right decision. Luckily, we went with storage, and storage, I'm telling you, you can automate everything in storage, everything. And so you can automate, so electronic and then automation are key in order to manage everything, and being completely virtual. So all of our facilities, there is no office anywhere. Our office manager and our customer service person, people, they are just out of their house. Our boots on the ground person is the only person that actually sees our facilities. We don't even see our facilities. Our boots on the ground person is the eyes and ears of our facility. And then our back office, our two back office people manage all of the automation and the property management. Okay. And then we do high level stuff is what we do. We do numbers and strategies and things like this, and close. Like my husband, his job is to close the deal. Once we get it under contract, I find the money. His job is actually, my husband's job is onboarding. That's what he does. He's closing the deal, working with the attorney, and then working with the software company to really onboard everything. Once we onboard it, then our operations person takes over and manages it, and our customer service person answers the phone and tries to get the contract signed and stuff like this. But we are a lean, mean, self-storage and invested machine. That's what I call it. And that is all starts from the very first step, which is getting that back office set up and really setting up the foundations of your business so you can be completely virtual. Okay.